Today's video is brought to you by Big J's Woodchuck Chili, the logger's choice. Okay guys, got that little maple out now. I'm down here looking at this mess. Oh boy, uproot it. I'm getting caught in the brush here. Oh, there's a vine. Look at this. That's what I'm getting caught in. Let's see if I can get it down. Okay. Look at this guy. It's pretty thin looking. Gotta watch where I step here. I'm not stepping in cow crap. I cut the top off there, some of it. It's all in these vines and buckthorn. I'm just going to cut it here. There's two pieces. Lots of rocks. And see if I can at least pull it out here to limb up a bit better. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, before I cut those, I'm going to put the chain around them. Otherwise it might be hard getting the chain on them once they fall down here maybe. Maybe they won't fall, I don't know. Kind of up on the rock pile there, so we'll get a couple chains on them anyway. I'm going to set you guys right in the cow shit. It's not too fresh though. A couple weeks old. I don't even know where the cows are. I think they're in the other pasture maybe. I haven't seen them in a couple days. Kind of glad they're not here today. Bugging me. Alright. Problem with the trees uprooting like this, you get a lot of dirt and stuff in the wood. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, the bigger one, a little bit hollow. I'm gonna give these a tug and see if I can get them out of here. Okay guys, I'll set you guys up somewhere. Okay, we'll see if we can pull that out a little farther. It's all wrapped in grapevines and... Okay guys, stay tuned for... Big timber. The ultimate chocolate bar. The logger's choice. Pick yours up today at any fine store. Pretty bumpy in here. Okay guys, oh boy, we have a black cherry tree that blew down, the top blew down from the windstorm there. Problem is, I don't know if I can get in here close enough to get it. Tractor's out there. If this stuff here wasn't in the way, this is a bunch of old limbs and tops from a tree I cut there in the wintertime. There was a black cherry, the stump's right there, and I just pushed the top and stuff in there, and that's exactly where I need to go to get this black cherry out of here. Oh boy, I don't think there's any other way. I'm either going to have to move this stuff out of the way, which I don't really want to, but might be able to move this stuff easier. There's a bunch of brush here, a few limbs, back up. Once I follow it out here, it'll be all the way up to here, so it won't be too far to reach. So I think I'll do that. Okay guys, I got a kind of a trail made there to back up here. Follow it down here, should be able to reach it pretty easy. This is where a winch would come in really handy, but since I don't have one. Okay guys, I'm going to set you guys up. Okay guys, I'll go get my tractor back up there. It's got a little bit of a hollow in the center, but not too bad. Okay guys. Okay guys, it's pretty windy. Oh, I'm gonna put it back to the wind maybe, I don't know. I thought the wind was dying down there about an hour ago, but it's picked back up. I got that black cherry out up there. I do have one more pine I might try to go get. It's way back there on the concession. The top blew off it. Probably going to be 2 trips to get it out of here. It's a bit of a drive, but I should get it. It'll probably be just for firewood. I was going to cut that elm over there by the shed, by the old shed, but I think I'll leave it for today. It's a bit windy and I might have to put a rope on it. It's kind of leaning on the shed. I'll have a look at it. But I think if I get that pine out, that'll be good for today.